Yabona this thing social media ne ukuthi sonke sifuna ukuba famous, sonke sifuna ama-likes, sifuna ama-followers, sifuna kube nama-comments ayi-1000 kuma-video siwenzayo ne. Guys, lento izosilimaza. And now we are destroying each other in the name of yokufuna ama-likes, you understand, nama-followers. Because I'm checking story salamantombazane ayi-2, 21, 22. They got shot, they got killed. Balahlelile or bawelele. You understand? You go through the comments of what people are saying about those girls. I heard allegedly, but you know, but 10,000 nearly out, yeah, 10,000. Common sense, 10,000 vitu. Oh, yini into ngayithenga 10,000 asiqale lapho. Understand? 10,000. Mawuzothi umuntu 10,000. Okay, see here, 10,000. These are the daughters of a woman and a man. They've got their father, right? Now, let's say it's your daughter, then you go through the comments of what people are saying about your daughter. Number one, you need to deal with that. Understand? Isn't this because they are from a distance. You understand? Number two, isn't abantu analyzer into rabangazazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Like you take something from social media, but hey, badli 10,000 bazama ukubaleka, this guy went akwaziwa. You understand? It's a hear or say. But if you go through that video, ulalela ama comments asho abantu, let alone ukuthi people are taking pictures. Your daughter is brutally killed or your son is brutally killed, like AKA. Before it can be reported with dignity by the police, already the pictures are running all around. Social media is covered. Look to ngezinto ezibuhlungu ezi-wrong. Yabona, recently ngiyabona abantu bashuta ama-funeral, umuntu akhala kwi-funeral sekuyashutwa umgodi, ibhokisi lifakwe emgodini. Like izinto ezi-snacks ebezihlonishwa mfethu. Umuntu makahambile emhlabeni leyo nto beyihlonishwa. Noma bokudlula imoto mazihambisa umuntu ongasekho. Qala besikhuluma igqoko mfethu, sihlala phansi to respect. Manje mfethu ama-video kuyashutwa. But the social media is gonna kill us.